Shungite is a rare and intriguing stone with a unique composition. It originates from a small village in Russia called Shunga and has gained popularity for its purported healing and protective properties. Its deep black color and metallic luster make it visually striking, and many believe it to hold potent energetic qualities. This ancient mineral is believed to be about 2 billion years old, having formed before life existed on Earth as we know it. This fact alone imbues Shungite with a sense of mystery and power. It is not just a stone, it is a glimpse into our planet's ancient past. The exact origin of Shungite remains a topic of debate, with some theories suggesting it was formed from ancient microorganisms, while others propose it resulted from meteorite impact. Whatever its origin, Shungite's unique properties make it a subject of fascination. Shungite is primarily composed of carbon, the same element that makes up diamonds and graphite. However, the carbon in Shungite is arranged in a unique way, giving it distinctive properties. Known for its ability to conduct electricity, Shungite is also surprisingly lightweight and has a slightly rough texture. Found almost exclusively in the Karelia region of Russia, this remote area is dotted with lakes and forests, further adding to the mystique surrounding Shungite. The stone is extracted from the earth in various forms, including raw chunks, polished stones, and even powders. The presence of fullerenes, a rare form of carbon molecule in Shungite, makes it even more intriguing. Believed to have significant antioxidant properties, fullerenes have led to increasing interest in Shungite's potential health benefits. Shungite has long been used in traditional Russian medicine, believed to have powerful purifying and protective properties. Many people believe it can shield against electromagnetic radiation emitted by electronic devices, leading to the increasing popularity of Shungite phone stickers and other protective devices. Shungite is also said to purify water and infuse it with beneficial minerals, often used in water filtration systems. Anecdotal evidence suggests that Shungite water can have a positive impact on skin health and energy levels. However, more scientific research is needed to confirm these claims. Some people use Shungite for its grounding and stabilizing properties during meditation. Its deep black color is often associated with protection and purification, believed to help cleanse the aura and promote emotional well-being. Integrating Shungite into your daily life is relatively simple. You can carry a small tumbled stone in your pocket or wear it as jewelry. This is believed to enhance energy levels and provide protection from negative energies. Placing a Shungite pyramid in your home or office is thought to create a harmonious and balanced environment. For those concerned about EMR, using Shungite phone stickers or placing a Shungite plate near your computer may offer a sense of protection. You can also explore the benefits of Shungite water by using a Shungite water filter, or simply placing a few Shungite stones in your drinking water. Remember, it is important to cleanse and charge your Shungite regularly to maintain its energetic properties. This can be done by placing it under running water, burying it in the earth, or leaving it under the moonlight. Shungite is a fascinating stone with a long history and a promising future. While scientific research on its properties is ongoing, many people swear by its healing and protective benefits. Whether you are drawn to its scientific properties or its mystical allure, Shungite offers a unique opportunity for exploration and discovery. Take the time to learn more about Shungite and its potential benefits. Experiment with different ways of incorporating it into your life. You may be surprised by the positive impact this ancient mineral can have on your well-being. Remember, Shungite is not just a stone, it is a journey into the heart of nature's mysteries.